Before any trip, you have to stock up on good snacks. And the best snacks are taralli here in southern Italy. Taralli make my life complete. Non so come vivevo senza taralli nella mia vita. Beach snacks are my favorite thing about going to the beach. Let's go for an adventure in Puglia today. Andiamo al mare con il nostro amico Marco e poi eventualmente andiamo a Locorotondo se il tempo regge. There's some sun and some clouds, so we'll see what happens. Vediamo. Kiddo, you've got sand on your nose. You've got sand on your nose. You've got un nasino savioso. Ay, 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 ay. Kind of cloudy days are actually the best sometimes to come to the beach because it is so much more empty than it would be otherwise. Like, we actually found a spot. I mean, typically in July, on a sunny day, this place would be packed like sardines. Although on a day like today, I am perfectly happy to hang out with Kyo on the towel. You know, not necessarily get my hair wet, you know, just kind of enjoy the scene, you know. The boys are out there though. A dire la verità, you know, I always love a beach day, but the thing that I'm most excited about with today's little excursion is Locorotondo. It's supposed to be a really cool spot. So, Kiddo, you're in my shot. Kiddo, you're in my shot. How's the water?
It's good. It's like a bath. It's so clear.
Adesso c'è il sole e c'è il Marco!
Yeah. Hello guys.
Ciao Marco!
Ciao. I'm Marco, I'm my Katie's and Connor's friend. I'm from Barletta and I work either as a tour guide and as a lawyer, immigration lawyer. And yeah, that's it.
Yeah, so Marco has like a couple different lives he leads. I first met him because he's an immigration lawyer, and then I met him because he leads tours.
Yes, I do.
All around Puglia. So I'll put a link here, free walking tours Barletta. If you're in this area, he and his cohort lead really, really great tours.
La coltivazione in paesi che hanno una maggiore disponibilità di terreni.
Tell me about this beach.
Okay, we are in Porto Pirrone. We are in the province of Taranto, and it's a wonderful beach. We actually took a risk today because the weather is not really, you know, sunny. It's a bit cloudy, but the place is that wonderful that we couldn't miss. And today, actually, it's not even crowded, so it's perfect. And I think that also these colors speaks for, you know, our decision.
True.
Sea urchin!
Bicho di mare.
You know we eat them.
Like this?
Not exactly.
Oh yeah, you can see it move.
It's very good. It really tastes like the sea. It's like you're eating the sea.
There's a bunch of little kids with like scuba masks on and nets. I think they're trying to catch ricci oppure pesce, non lo so. Look at how clear this water is.
Grazie.
Hero.
Beach snacks are my favorite thing about going to the beach. it started to just barely sprinkle and almost everyone left the beach. Sono tutti scappati, quasi deserti. But then the sun came back out and we basically had the place to ourselves, and I finally got a proper swim in. Now the storm comes, so we go, andiamo. The rain is coming. And it did start to rain. We timed this day really well because it started to rain just in time to eat. Fun fact, I was a vegetarian for a couple of years before we moved here. And now, we live in Puglia. Mangio pesce. Post-lunch, we decided to make an impromptu stop in Martina Franca. So we are now in an area called Valle di. The architecture here is so unique. It's really detailed, almost extravagant. All these gargoyles and much more detail than things in Trani. Martina Franca is really cool, beautiful. It's known for its capocollo. It's a meat, and you know, I'm really in the mood for something sweet. So we're gonna andiamo to Locorotondo. This is also very close to Alberobello, which I will need to take you all to sometime soon. It's very famous for the trulli. I've got more to show you today.
Cioccolato bianco e cocco, per favore.
Tiramisù e cioccolato bianco. Grazie. Grazie.
Io per me cioccolato fondente Monica.
Okay, so Marco,
Yeah.
it's your idea that we go to Locorotondo, and you wanted us to see it not just because it has 5 O's in its name, which is very impressive.
Yeah.
What's so special about this?
Well, to be honest, this is my favorite village in Puglia. I wouldn't say one of my best. This is my favorite because it's so tiny, but at the same time very, very, you know, typical and well, also kept. It's a very, very interesting kind of architecture that is called Cummerse. Cummerse.
Oh wow.
Differently than the other villages here that are full of trulli, Locorotondo does have trulli as well. But in the city center you won't find any trullo, like Alberobello. You will find these Cummerse that are these typical houses with the rooftop very inclined to collect water, likely. Furthermore, you will find many lovely spots. It's a very nice place and I love it.
And do you find this kind of architecture anywhere else in Puglia even?
No.
No, only
It's something
here.
typical of Locorotondo. As you were saying before, when we were in Martina, you told me like it looks like each village has its own identity.
Yeah.
And that's right. And you can see it by this feature in Locorotondo.
Okay, let's go see some.
Yeah.
That was such a fun day. Thank you guys for joining us. It was a perfect day in Puglia, in my opinion. We went to the beach. We appreciated historic villages. We
Thanks
ate
to
gelato.
Marco.
And thank you, Marco.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us. And thank you so much to the Quirky Club, my Patreon community. You guys are amazing. If you join my Patreon community, you'll get
all sorts of cool exclusive stuff, and you get to watch my goofy face as we make pizza live every month and hang out with her all the time. Tons of behind the scenes.
What else do they get, Marco?
Monthly recipes.
And monthly recipes, so you better sign up, check it out. That's it for right now, everyone. I'll see you back here really soon. Ci vediamo alla prossima. And in the meantime, don't forget to keep it quirky.